Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a different kind of video because it's the new year. I do want to start doing different kinds of videos on my channel. So I saw this video and I was like, oh my god, I have to do it. So I went to like over 8 different stores and I tried on the same size jeans in every store. So I saw this video on another YouTuber's channel by the name of Sierra, so I'll link her video down below. So yeah, I saw her video and I was like, oh my god, I want to do that. So we all know how hard it is to find jeans that fit us, and the same size 0 in Zara isn't going to be the same size 0 in Forever 21. So so I figured I would go to the mall and try on all size zeros from all of my favorite brands. So that's what I did, and I brought you guys along. So the first store that I went to is Forever 21, and it was a hassle to find a size 0. Or in Forever 21, I think the smallest size they have is a 24. It took me forever because we all know Forever 21 is not the most organized store. So they'll have jeans here, they'll have jeans there. So it took me a minute, but I found a pair to try on. And you guys know I only rock with high-waist jeans. I just feel like it flatters my shape the most. So I found me a pair of high-waist jeans, and the jeans fit well. I feel like for me, the issue I always have is in the waist. So if the waist fits, 9 times out of 10, I'm like, sis, I gotta get the jeans. So the jeans fit pretty decent. The material was soft. I wasn't mad at the material. It was a little bit loose in the waist, but honestly, if I put on a belt, you wouldn't even be able to tell. And the jeans are super affordable. So the next store I went to is Express. You guys have seen my Express hauls. I'm a 00 all the time in Express. But this time I decided to try a 0 to see what the difference is. The 0 fit okay. Of course, a little loose in the waist, so that's why I always opt for a smaller size, because it'll still fit my legs, but it's all about that waist. I don't want jeans that are like super gappy in the back. That's a no look for me. But the jeans, Express jeans, are amazing quality. They're really soft and just great quality. So yeah, I'm gonna have to stick to my size 00. So the next store that I went to is H&M, and I used to love H&M like years ago because I'm really skinny, so their jeans ran really small, so I was able to always find my perfect size. But now that my hips spread a little bit, I've put on about 5 pounds. Like literally I put on 0 pounds, but my body's changing, so their 0 ain't cutting it anymore. So it's a hit or miss sometimes. I feel like if you're really small like me, then H&M is a good place for you to find jeans that will fit because they run small. So I tried on the size 0. It took me a minute to find a size because H&M has a bunch of jeans. They have good quality jeans, and they just have a bunch. You just have to try it on to figure out which one is going to be the best fit for you. So I found a pair of high-rise straight leg jeans and a size 0, and whew, those things were snug, okay? So tight. When jeans are too small, like it cuts off your butt. Like these jeans just weren't cutting it. I feel like if I had the perfect size, they would be cute, but these just screaming yeast infection. So the next store I went to is Nordstrom. Nordstrom has a bunch of brands. So the jeans I first tried on are from Good American, and I found a size 0. And the jeans are really cute. They're nice quality. The 0 fits, but just a little loose in the waist. And I don't always wear a belt, so I feel like my jeans need to fit me perfect all around. So then I went back and I tried on a 00, and the 00 fits amazing. I love jeans so much. I feel like my closet is mainly full of jeans. So yeah, the Chloe Good American jeans, I don't know, sis. Okay, so the next store that I went to is Topshop. I feel like people rave about the Jamie jeans at Topshop, and I don't own a pair of Jamie jeans, so I was excited to try them on. So I'm assuming the smallest size that Topshop carries is a 25 because that's the smallest size that I found. So I found a pair of Jamie jeans to try on, and I must say they fit well, but I just wasn't comfortable in the jeans, if that makes any sense. Like, they weren't comfortable. But they fit. They just weren't comfortable. So I tried on one style of Jamie jeans, and then I tried on a different style of Jamie jeans, and these ones are like ankle grazers. The first one had a little distressing at the ankle, and I feel like both of them fit the same. They're just not comfortable. Like, they're not my favorite. So if there's a Topshop jean that you guys feel like I should try, that I might fall in love with, and let me know, because the Jamie wasn't it for me. So moving right along. So next I tried on a pair of Levi's. I love Levi's. I only have one pair of Levi jeans, and they have stretch in them, so they fit really well. This time I tried on the wedgie fit jeans, and I tried them on in a size 23 because it was the smallest they had. So I'm like, ooh, this must be like a 0 or like a 00. I don't know, but I got the smallest size, and whoo, you guys, these jeans are 100% cotton. They have no stretch at all. I'm sure they stretch out over time, like once you wear them, but whoo, I couldn't even button them up. And these weren't the zipper kind, they button up. So me personally, I'm not a fan of jeans that's button up. If I get a pair of button up jeans, I have to really like them. Like, I'm not gonna get a pair that I'm like, because no, it's a hassle buttoning your jeans up. Buttoning the jeans up and buttoning them down. So yeah, these 23 were really snug. I couldn't even button them up. They were cutting off my butt circulation, so I was just like, no. Next I went to Zara. You guys, Zara is my favorite store ever. Like, my closet is full of Zara jeans. Like, Zara jeans are my #1 jeans. If you haven't tried them, please go try them. Their jeans are just amazing. The price point is amazing. Like, they're super affordable, and then they go on sale, and they're really affordable. Like, guys, you just take my word for it, okay? Try some Zara jeans. I promise you won't be disappointed. So I tried on a pair of Zara jeans that I already have, but I don't have them in a size 0. So I tried on a size 0, and they fit. Your girl got them on. It took a bit of, you know, stretching to get them on, but they fit. These jeans are probably my favorite. I think I've rebought them like 2 or 3 times because they fit the waist so well, and they fit over your curves without making them flat. You know, like if jeans are too tight, it'll make your butt flat. Like, these it just accentuates all your curves. So these are my favorite, and the 0 does fit me, but I wouldn't be able to eat with a size 0 of these jeans on, because my stomach, I have a food baby. I'd have a food baby, and then I'd have to pop open my butt. I also tried on a pair of 0 and a pair of denim jeans, and I could not, I kid you not, I could not even pull them up past my thighs, okay? So jeans are a hit and miss. Like, I always feel like if I'm buying jeans, I gotta try them on in store. Like, I can't order them online because you just never know, and you just always want, you just want to try on options. So I feel like go in the store, try on a bunch of different pairs, and I promise you won't be disappointed. So next, okay, so the next store I went to is Urban Outfitters. I have one pair of Urban Outfitter jeans, and I have the girlfriend style. This time I tried on the twig high rise in a size 24 because that's the smallest size they have. So these are really snug. It took, I had to, you know, when you had to lift your legs up, you got squat to get the jeans on. That's what I had to do to get these jeans on. So I knew if I really got them, I would definitely have to go up a size. But if you're a true 24 or 0, I feel like these jeans will fit you really well. They're really cute style. The wash is cute. The distressing is cute. I like, you know, I like my distressed jeans. So these jeans, definitely I might go back and get in my right size because they're real cute. Okay, so the last store that I went to is American Eagle. I own American Eagle shorts, but I don't have any pair of American Eagle jeans. I used to way back in high school. So American Eagle has a humongous range of jeans. They have 00 to 20s, I think. Really amazing size range. So I tried on the size 0 and the jegging material, and the jeans fit well. Like, I liked how they fit over my bum and my legs, but they were loose in the waist. So I feel like if I were to get these jeans, I would definitely go back and get a 00. And another thing that I remember that I don't like about American Eagle, I love jeans. So if jeans are just a plain jean, like no design, no logo, I don't like logo or designs over the pocket unless it's Levi's. But I feel like the jeans fit well. They're stretchy because I did try on the jegging material. My hand are just like, but yeah, really nice pair of jeans. The 0 just didn't fit me the way that I like my jeans to fit, but the size range is popping. The birds are chirping. Isn't that how that goes? I don't know. But yeah, that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do plan on bringing different kind of fashion videos to my channel, not just try on hauls. So yeah, let me know what you would suggest, and let me know if you like this video and if you want to see me do more videos like this. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.